Book CBSE Class 9 Science, Chapter 2, Is Matter Around Us Pure? Topic: Pure and impure matter, elements and compounds, metals, non-metals and metalloids, organic and inorganic compounds. MCQs based upon worksheet number 1 on Chapter 2, Is Matter Around Us Pure? Multiple choice questions. Q1. Which of the following is a compound? A. Oxygen, O. B. Gold, O. C. Water, HO. D. Copper, Cu. Answer: C. Water, HO. Explanation: water is formed by two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, chemically combined, making it a compound. Q2. Which property is typical of non-metals? A. Good conductors of heat. B. Dull and brittle. C. Malleable and ductile. D. Lustrous and ductile. Answer: B. Dull and brittle. Explanation: non-metals are generally dull, non-malleable, and brittle. Q3. An element that acts as a metalloid is: A. Iron. B. Silicon. C. Sulfur. D. Hydrogen. Answer: B. Silicon. Explanation: silicon is a metalloid with properties between metals and non-metals. Q4. Organic compounds mainly contain: A. Carbon and hydrogen. B. Metals and non-metals. C. Salts and minerals. D. Oxygen and nitrogen. Answer: A. Carbon and hydrogen. Explanation: organic compounds are primarily made of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Q5. Which of these is an example of an impure substance? A. Distilled water. B. Air. C. Sugar solution. D. Pure gold. Answer: B. Air. Explanation: air contains various gases and impurities, making it impure. Q6. Which property is not typical of metals? A. Malleability. B. Dullness. C. Good electrical conductivity. D. Lustrous appearance. Answer: B. Dullness. Explanation: metals are generally shiny, not dull. Q7. Sodium chloride, nickel, is classified as: A. Organic compound. B. Inorganic compound. C. Element. D. Metal. Answer: B. Inorganic compound. Explanation: nickel is a salt, an inorganic compound. Q8. Which of the following is a metalloid? A. Aluminum. B. Boron. C. Oxygen. D. Carbon. Answer: B. Boron. Explanation: boron exhibits properties of both metals and non-metals, making it a metalloid. Q9. Which example illustrates a pure element? A. Tap water. B. Gold. C. Soil. D. Air. Answer: B. Gold. Explanation: gold is an element made up of only gold atoms. Q10. The main difference between organic and inorganic compounds is: A. Organic compounds contain carbon. Inorganic do not necessarily contain carbon. B. Organic compounds are always solids. Inorganic are liquids. C. Organic compounds are metals. Inorganic are non-metals. D. Organic compounds are synthetic. Inorganic are natural. Answer: A. Organic compounds contain carbon. Inorganic do not necessarily contain carbon. Explanation: organic compounds generally contain carbon, whereas inorganic compounds may or may not contain carbon. Thank you. Like, share, Subscribe. Infotainment World _ for you.